Hi students, and today we are going to discuss periodic table. And in this periodic table we have 4 blocks, that is left side we have S block, right side we have P block, between S and P block we have D block, and down the periodic table we have F block. Here we have F block. Like this, total 118 elements classified into 4 blocks: S block, P block, left side S block, right side P block, middle D block, down the periodic table F block. And today I am going to explain how to remember S block and P block elements. Means S block 2 groups we have, P block 6 groups we have, and this we are calling groups. Means S block 2 groups, P block 6 groups. So total S block, and this is we have here P block, and this is P block elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 groups we have. So vertical lines, clear? Vertical lines called as what we are calling vertical lines. This is horizontal rows, we have vertical lines. Horizontal rows are called as periods. These were horizontal rows. How many periods we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 periods. And vertical columns we are calling groups. So HRP means horizontal rows are periods, vertical columns are groups, VCG. HRP, horizontal rows, periods. VCG, vertical columns are called as groups. Clear? So 18 groups. How many groups we have? 18 groups and 7 periods we have. 18 groups and 7 periods. Now I am explaining S block elements and P block elements. Clear na? This is we are calling long form periodic table or modern periodic table. We have 118 elements. See here, 118 elements. This is total 7th period is completed. Now how to remember easily with the trick? So I am explaining S block and P block. Clear? Chal. Now I am taking S block elements. S block has 2 groups. One is with lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, and with the hydrogen also you can include. Now how to remember this easily? Look here, short trick. Lena, Karina, RBCS are friends. For example, if hydrogen also included, you write Helena, then easy. Lena, Karina, RBCS are friends. Li means lithium, Na means sodium, K means potassium, Rb rubidium, Cs cesium, Fr francium. Clear? With this not there. For sentence framing, Lena, Karina, RBCS are friends. This is. Next, we have another group in this family, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and radium. This is the sentence we have. Clear? Means elements we have. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, radium. How to remember this easily? Look here, I am giving the short trick to remember. Berries, magic car, struck. Berries, magic car, struck badly in rain. Badly in rain. Clear? Berry's magic car struck badly in rain. Look here. Berries, Be, beryllium, magic, Mg, magnesium, car, Ca, calcium, Sr, struck, Sr we have here. Badly, here we forgot beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Barium and radium. Berry's magic car struck strontium badly, barium, rain, radium. So in no need, just for sentence purpose. Clear? Berry's magic car struck badly in rain. Badly in rain. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. This is P black. Sorry, S black. So S black we have two groups, that is first group and second group. Lena, Karina, RBCS are friends. Berry's magic car struck badly in rain. 2-3 times if you repeat, then very easy to remember. And see this video 2-3 times, then you can remember easily. Let me go for P black. P black we have 6 groups. P block we have 6 groups. How to remember these all elements with easy trick? Easy trick. Like I am taking here. I am taking. Clear? And that is group 3. That is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. These are the elements we have. What are the elements? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. See, very trick you can remember. With B, you can start with B only, and Al, ball, capital you write, then easy to you. Ball, Ganesh, ball, Ganesh. Bal Ganesh is in Thailand. Clear? See how much easy. Bal Ganesh is in Thailand. B means boron, Al means aluminium, Ga gallium, is for sentence purpose, In means indium, and Thailand TL you have here thallium. So Bal Ganesh is in Thailand. Bal Ganesh is in Thailand. This is group 3. And you go for group 4. Group 4. Clear? And next family we have. Next family. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. This is stannum, this is plumbum. Stannum and plumbum. Clear? And with this we have the one trick. Easy trick I am giving to you. How to remember? Go for here. Easy trick. Computer. See with computer. Sir. Get. Sin problem. Sin problem. Here's the sin. Computer circuit syn problem. Computer C carbon, Si silicon, Ge germanium, Sn tin, problem Pb lead. Computer circuit syn problem. He has its own syn. So that is carbon family. You go for another family. Boron carbon completed. Boron carbon completed. And next family we have nitrogen family. That we are calling nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. This is terbium, Latin word. And now how to remember this? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. This I made with an Hindi word to remember easily, whatever it may be the language. We have to learn. N, Nana. P, Patekar. Nana Patekar. S, Aishwarya. Aishwarya. Nana Patekar, Aishwarya. Sab, Bindas. Simple. Clear? Nana Patekar, Aishwarya, Sab Bindas. Nitrogen, phosphorus, Aishwarya As, we have here. Arsenic, Sb, stibium. Sb we have, stibium. Clear? And Bindas, Bi, bismuth. Nana Patekar, Aishwarya, Sab Bindas. Sab Bindas. Clear? This is nitrogen family we have. Next, we have another, that is oxygen family. Oxygen family. Clear? That is group. We are getting P black in, that is 16th group we are calling generally. And here we are calling, this is 13th, this is 14th, this is 15th. Now it is 16th group as per new system. 16th group. What is the 16th group? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Clear? Now I am writing trick. Look here. Om Sam Site. Om Sam Site in Poland. Clear? Chal. Om oxygen, S sulfur, Se selenium, Te tellurium. This is only for sentence. Po polonium. Om Sam Site in Poland. So these are Om Sam Site, three friends, they are in Poland. Next, 17th group. 17th group. That is we are calling halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. And astatine. This is the family. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. And here I am giving short trick to you. First class biryani. First class biryani in Australia. First class biryani in Australia. Chal. Fluorine, chlorine, Br, bromine, iodine and At. Australia. First class biryani in Australia. Next, 18th group. 18th group. And this is 18th group we are calling as zero group also. Noble gases. What we have? Helium, neon, argon, Ar, krypton, xenon and radon. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are noble gases. Noble gases. Clear? Now how to remember trick. He never argued. He never argued with Krish and Zeran. Clear? See here. He never argued with Krish and Zeran. He, helium, never, neon, argon. And this is for sentence purpose only. Krypton, Kr, Zeran, xenon, radon. He never argued with Krish and Zeran. And this is how we are learning the periodic table S and P black. And one more time I repeat. First S black. Lena, Karina, RBCS are friends. Berry's magic car struck badly in rain. Bal Ganesh is in Thailand. Computer sir gets in problem. Nana Patekar, Aishwarya, sab bindas. Next. Om Sam Site in Poland. You can add R in Poland like that. First class biryani in Australia. Next. He never argued with Krish and Zeran. See here. We have second group, that is Berry's magic car struck badly in rain. That in Hindi we have very easy one word. What is that means? In Hindi that we are learning as second group, that is I am writing here. Beta manga car scooter Bap Razi. Beta manga car scooter Bap Razi. Beryllium, manga, magnesium, calcium, this is strontium, barium, radium. Beta manga car scooter Bap Razi. In Hindi like this you can remember. Clear? Second group. This is I given here. Berry's magic car struck badly in rain. Instead of that you can remember Beta manga car scooter Bap Razi. So if you remember this, and then easy to learn S black and P black elements. If you need, take a screenshot, and this is can be useful for you. Then you can remember easily. And if you like the concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and I have my Telegram channel with the name that is Quota Material. Neat quota material and test papers. And there you go. You will get all study materials, physics, chemistry, maths, bio, all subjects you are getting in my Telegram channel. So, Telegram channel name is Quota Neat Study Materials and Test Papers. Quota Neat Study Materials and Test Papers. That is my Telegram channel. You can go and you will get all NEET, JEE, AIMS, all materials. And that is today's concept, how to remember periodic table. Thank you. Be safe at home.